Welcome back to John Cleese Car Audio. Today we're going to be showcasing this Bailey Adamo Motorhome 73 plate, brand new as of September 2023. It's coming for an abundance of options which we've documented in different videos because it's just too much to do in one video. So if you have a similar motorhome, then obviously follow links at the end of this video to see what we can also do on this motorhome. This video is about a speaker upgrade we've done on it. In particular, we fitted the Alpine bespoke speakers designed for this Ford Transit based motorhome. You can't see anything from the door because it all goes behind the original speaker grills. We've fully soundproofed these doors as well, so 4 layers to be exact: outer skin, inner skin, door card twice. Okay, so it basically means the doors are fully treated for the best acoustic improvement for the sound possible. You can just about hear from a video the difference of soundproof doors. So if I, for example, rap on the door on this side and then rap on the unsoundproofed wing, it should be quite obvious how much difference that is. That obviously reduces road noise as well, so when they're driving, they'll get low road noise coming through the cockpit, passenger and driver's side, which is obviously handy. Now what we'll do is we'll go inside the vehicle and I'll show you what the tweeters look like, because that's the only thing that looks different. These are the tweeters in what I've described. Alpine tweeters, Adventure Audio they're called. You get this lovely mesh grille, so the plastic Transit ones come out and these ones go in. There's 2 types of tweeter mounts on the Transit. It actually fits both types. If you've got the other weird sort of shaped tweeter, it actually fits these too. But it's just a nice subtle upgrade to show that you've done an upgrade. And rather than putting 2 grills, which obviously is going to restrict the tweeter a little bit, you've only got 1 grill in front of the tweeter instead. It's a nice little subtle upgrade, but without obviously standing out too much and changing too much of the interior. That's about it for speaker upgrade. It basically just gives a much better sound in here. The Alpine obviously truly runs them better than say the factory radio, but it's a simple upgrade which sounds great along with the soundproofing. It's a simple yet very effective upgrade. For now, that's about it for the speaker upgrade on this. This is John Cleese Car Audio finishing this video now. My name is Connor. You can catch us on the normal contact details, which is info@johncleese.com. Our website's www.johncleeseaudio.co.uk, or you can send us a simple WhatsApp message, which you can get the number from that website if you fancy sending us a little informal message. But for now, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and it's Connor from John Cleese signing off. See you later.